Hello everyone out here, welcome back to another video. You are watching FoneZone.ua with me Garishma Rana, and today we are going to discuss about a bold series. Yes, today we are going to check out which bold series we are going to discuss and how it is. Because bold series have been in the market in around 2009 time, like in the year of 2009, 8, 10. These were the series when bold series by BlackBerry were introduced in the market. So today let us see what all bowl series has to do with and is it good for the business or not. Talking about the BlackBerry bowl series, it has actually three bowl series in it. Where if we talk about the number one, the initiative of bowl series was by BlackBerry Bold 9700. Yes, 9700 was the series out there. If we talk about this series, you will get to see that this has a keypad too. Yes, it has a keypad, it has a screen. तो मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा कह सकते हैं बहुत ज्यादा अलग था, बहुत ज्यादा इसमें आपको चीजें जो है अलग से देखने को मिलती थी एज कम्पेयर टू अदर सीरीज. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस सीरीज देन आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन दिस कि ये सीरीज बहुत ही ज्यादा यूज रही है मार्केट में. यस, बहुत ज्यादा ब्लैकबेरी ने इसे यूज किया है. नॉट जस्ट यूजर्स को काफी ज्यादा अच्छी भी लगी है ये सीरीज. Now coming back to the series again, let us start this video with the features and everything out there. Talking about this series out there, इसका लुक जो है आपको एक कीपैड टाइप का देखने को मिलेगा, थोड़ा अलग लुक देखने को मिलेगा. ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. इसकी जो स्क्रीन है वो ही 2.4 इंचेस की है, तो मतलब बहुत छोटी स्क्रीन है. इसका जो साइज है टोटल ही 2.4 है, तो वेरी टाइनी फोन इट इज. तो आप इसे बहुत इजीली यूज कर सकते हैं. व्हाई द नेम बोल्ड वाज गिवन टू दिस सीरीज? बोल्ड नेम इसलिए दिया गया था बिकॉज दिस सीरीज वाज क्वाइट इफेक्टिव इन द बिजनेस वर्ल्ड. Yes, talking about the business world, it is very effective in the business world out there. And when we talk about the business world, it's not just one business, but every business out there. So this series is quite effective for the people who are into business and everything out there. Talking about this series, let us talk about the specifications of this series now. Talking about the specifications, this series has got a very light-weighted version, that is 122 grams weight. So very light-weighted. Whereas if you use this SIM card slottation, it is mini SIM out there. मिनी सिम है तो काफी ज्यादा अच्छा रहता है. प्लस इसका जो की पैड है वो थोड़ा ऑप्टिकल ट्रैक पैड है, मतलब बहुत इजीली आप टाइप कर सकते हैं. इट्स वेरी क्वाइट इफेक्टिव आउट देयर. Whereas the display itself is of a very old version. You can see कि 2009 का variant है. It's about TKT version out here, and TFT display is also inbuilt in it. Whereas you will see 65 की colorization along with a great Android out there. BlackBerry का खुद का Android system है. It always has its operating system out there. Yes, BlackBerry का अपना operating system है. Just like Apple, it also has an operating system which is BlackBerry OS, and they are using BlackBerry OS 5, which is again upgradable up to BlackBerry 6. Yes, so that's a great variant out here. Talking about this phone and this variant, you will get a dedicated memory card slottation. Memory card slottation क्यों है? Because expandability is very much needed in this phone. Talking about the expandability, you will get to see that the memory in this phone is very limited because it's only of about 256 MB. मतलब बहुत छोटी है. 256 MB is very less out there. Whereas you get to see about the same variant in the RAM also. 256 MB की RAM भी देखने को मिल रही है. तो कह सकते हैं it's quite a good variant out there for the people who don't have a large requirement in the memory. Whereas you also get to see a single camera also in this. I'll show you the camera out there. If you see the back side of this phone, if you can see the back side of this phone, this is the camera out here, which is of 3.1 megapixel. मतलब 3 megapixel का कैमरा ऑलरेडी इसमें इनबिल्ट है in 2000 time and with a tiny phone out there. So it's great feature out here. Whereas you will get to see all the specifications. इसमें सेल्फी कैमरा नहीं है but 3.5 का जैक है. You will get to see a great connectivity out there. You will get to see all the sensations. But रेडियो नहीं पॉसिबल है. 3.5 की जैक के साथ भी रेडियो पॉसिबल नहीं है. Talking about this phone's battery life, we will say that this phone has got a battery life of about 1500 mAh. Yes, 1500 mAh battery is there. तो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा लंबी बैटरी नहीं है, बट स्टिल क्वाइट गुड बैटरी बिकॉज इट गिव यू 6 आवर्स टॉक टाइम। तो 1500 की बैटरी काफी ज्यादा अच्छी है विद दिस काइंड ऑफ अ फोन। अब इस फोन की स्पेसिफिकेशंस की बात हो गई, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द साइट वेयर इट इज अवेलेबल, बिकॉज दिस टाइप ऑफ फोन इज अवेलेबल ऑन लिमिटेड साइट्स आउट देयर, बहुत ही लिमिटेड साइट्स पे अवेलेबल है। एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द साइट, लेट मी टेक यू टू द साइट आउट देयर। Okay, so this is the site I was talking about. This site is known as FoneZone.ae. इस साइट का नाम है FoneZone.ae. This site has all kind of mobile phones, all kind of gadgets out here, and from reputed brands. Like these are the brands out here. You can see these brands are out there for you guys. तो आप यहाँ पे आके try कर सकते हैं. They are offering you not just one brand but n number of brands, n number of gadgets in a pocketable and best deal rates. Yes, they deal with great savings, great deal, और साथ ही साथ कहते हैं कि बहुत अच्छी मार्केट प्राइस दे रहे हैं. Yes, best market price is available out here. So do check out this site. Link description में है. Or you can also go on Google and type phonezone.ae. This is the site name out here, phonezone.ae. Or you can go in the description box and check out the link. और वहां पर आपको एक सर्च आइकन देखने को मिलेगा. This kind of icon like this is the search icon जहाँ पे आप अपना फेवरेट ब्रांड सर्च कर सकते हैं. When you search this, आपको आपका फेवरेट ब्रांड मिल जाएगा. स्पेसिफाइड करते हैं लोग उसकी जीबीज या कलर, तो और भी स्पेसिफाइड वहां पर आपको रिजल्ट देखने को मिलेगा. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.